Sabine Hossenfelder yells in all caps, "Entanglement is not Einstein's spooky action. Thank you for your attention to this matter." Yelling something does not make it true. If we consult Einstein, Schrodinger, Bell et al., it seems Sabine is incorrect. Please read the book Quantum Theory and Measurement, edited by John Archibald Wheeler and Wojciech Hubert Zurek, Princeton University Press. Action at a distance means action at a distance. How Bell's theorem proved spooky action at a distance is real. https quantummagazine.org. How Bell's theorem proved spooky action at a distance is real. 22-10720. Perhaps we would be wise to listen to Einstein, Bell, and Schrodinger instead of Sabine. In a letter to Max Born in 1947, Einstein stated, "I cannot seriously believe in it because the theory cannot be reconciled with the idea that physics should represent a reality in time and space, free from spooky action at a distance." The actual phrase used by Einstein was German, spukhafte Fernwirkung. Here, Einstein was referring to both the instantaneous collapse of the non-local wave function and the non-locality of entanglement, as entanglement depends upon the instantaneous collapse of the non-local wave function. Perhaps we would be wise to listen to Erwin Schrödinger instead of Jonathan Gouraud and Sabine Hossenfelder. Note how John and Sabine must ignore quantum physicists and invoke superdeterminism LOL when advancing their assertions. Regarding entanglement, Schrödinger stated, "When two systems, of which we know the states by their respective representatives, enter into temporary physical interaction due to known forces between them, and when after a time of mutual influence the systems separate again, then they can no longer be described in the same way as before, viz., by endowing each of them with a representative of its own. I would not call that one, but rather the characteristic trait of quantum mechanics, the one that enforces its entire departure from classical lines of thought. By the interaction, the two representatives, or EINSTEIN functions, have become entangled. And so it is that Einstein and Schrödinger agree that quantum entanglement is firmly rooted in the psi function, and thus the collapse of the wave function, psi function. Please correct your teachings. Thank you for your attention to this.